He keep biting me like
Who?
this. Kuya, I done.
Kuya Aidan?
Oh,
Why? But you have to play with him. Okay? I go to doctor and Kuya Aidan will look after you, okay? Yanak? Huh?
don't leave me.
Don't leave you, but I go in the doctor man. Cause mommy is yayay.
Mm,
Huh?
don't leave me.
Why man lagi?
Because I miss you.
Cause I miss you.
Oh,
Oh. But I have to go to the doctor man.
but don't leave me.
Kuya Aidan is and Kuya Ibrahim is here man. Okay?
Kuya, I done.
Yeah, and Kuya Ibrahim. They will look after you. Huh?
I'm so sad, Mommy.
Why you're sad?
Because I miss you.
Because I miss you.
Mm.
But I come back man.
Wala si Mommy.
Wala si mommy.
Mm.
It's okay. I come back later man. Huh?
Why?
I go to Dr. Gani. Hmm?
There's a honeybee there.
Oh, it look like honeybee ba?
No, that is a honey hive.
Ah, okay.
Yes.
So you're okay ha? You stay here ha? Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
That's for the bee.
Yeah.
Don't
Okay,
touch
I
it.
have to change my clothes because I have to go to doctor.
No.
You stay here with Kuya. You said it's okay. Kuya Aidan will look after you man. I will come back very fast, okay?
No.
Why? Because if I bring you, the doctor will inject your butt.
I go to the kawas lang.
The gawas lang, but there's a police there. Because the kids cannot go inside the hospital if you are not yayay. Because you will be sick.
So, I have no yaya.
Oh, so that's why you don't go to doctor. You stay here in the house. Okay?
Mm.
You stay here with Kuya, okay?
Why?
Huh?
That's it. Okay.
Da?
Mm.